Hey guys, it's Chris, and today we're going to unbox something that I forgot that I ordered. This is an unusual unboxing because I will probably switch clothing and put this in because it will be in another video. This is for the other Amiga 2000 I just repaired, and these are the 314 ROMs from Aaron and the crew at Amiga on the Lake. You can check them out at their website of a similar name. So this was 40, I don't know. How's this open? Yep, and I unboxed it totally wrong. Off by the stickers. This was $47. You get an Amiga on the Lake invoice with a personalized thank you for your order. Happy holidays, Jeff and Aaron. Thanks, Jeff and Aaron. Well packaged. You get another set of Workbench discs, and you get a ROM with a serial number on it, so you can register this sucker on HyperionEntertainment.com and get a digital copy along with the downloadable modules, disc, and so forth. You also get a full printed Hyperion installation guide in color for the 5, 6, and 2000. I mean, each section is broken down with color, photos, detailed instructions, how to install ROMs, etc. Really great job, Hyperion. Really great job, Amiga on the Lake. And that's what I got. My total price for this was $47.95. I did it through PayPal. So with tax here in the United States of Communist, it was $5.33. So my total cost was $53.28, shipped to me here a couple states away. That's what I got coming up for the 2000, whatever other, what this was. And we will get that installed shortly. Like I said, the packaging, as always, top notch. And we'll get that installed. Another package from China. Yes, I'm still in the same clothes, because you have to go to sleep to change your clothes. So I did put pants on though. This is a box from China, and I believe it's sockets for the 68,000. We'll see. Good packaging for China. These are the wrong sockets. Great. Thanks, China, for sending me the wrong sockets. Motorola 68,000s. I don't think so, buddy. These are the wrong sockets. That's just awesome. And you know how big a 68,000 is? It's like that big, and the pins are much more pronounced. Here are the sockets that I bought, right? So here's the sockets I bought, and what the hell did I do with it? Oh, here it is. Here's the 68,000. Just a little bit of difference. Might be able to make it work. Yeah, they're wrong. So these are going right in the garbage. So this will be the equivalent adapter, would be the CPU riser slot. There we go. So that's a 68,000 in a riser socket, and these are just too small. What a waste of money. Yay.